Since I'm a bit lazy, I do not make notes in a notebook. Instead, I just make them in my textbook in the class. No, I'm not talking about doing it like this, or even this. Even if I use a pencil and two highlighters, I do it right. So after I'm done reading a paragraph, I just take my pencil and write on a few words or mostly questions on top of the title of every paragraph that represents different points or concepts. So after I'm done writing those questions, the next time I'm revising, I just go through the questions and try to find the questions that I can't remember the answer to, and then go back revising those concepts or points. And thus I save time by not revising the things that I remember from class already. Then I use the pink highlighter to mark words that I usually don't use much, but they can really help me explain my answers better in exams. And with a green highlighter, I just quickly mark all the names and dates that I mostly find in my history textbook, so I can just go through them anytime quickly without searching much. And yeah, that's how I make notes in my textbook. Revising a long chapter can be really difficult, but I really hope that this way of making notes helps. Also, feel free to share your thoughts or your way of making notes down in the comment sections. I read them and I love to hear it from you. Please leave a like or copy the share link because it really helps my channel. Anyways, thank you so much for watching.